Page 33, March of the Lions. This is in the key of A minor. No sharps or flats. Right hand, we got slurs and staccatos, and those are, we got to get those. You're going to be doing wrist in the left hand, so it's probably easier if you do wrist in the right hand too. Just make sure you get all the staccatos. Watch them carefully on the notes because they're all over the place. And the left hand is just this pulsating thing going throughout. The problem is they stick in these the 8, you see the little 8 with the dotted line here? That's short for 8VA. And when it's under notes like that, you go down. If it's above, you go up. If it's below, you go down. So on that first note, and it's just the first one, instead of here, you're here. Every measure is that way. The first note in every measure is down here, so it's here. Fun. Eventually you'll develop that feel where you don't have to look at it. You'll know where it is. But for a while you're going to have to look at this at the beginning of each measure, so you're going to have to memorize part of the right hand probably. So you put them together. Last line, you're up here, and the right hand goes up. As far as how fast you play it, you don't need to play it that fast. Just go nice and slow. How fast do you think a lion would walk? We're talking about a really lazy lion here. So. Now, if you're going to pedal it, I recommend you only pedal the first beat of each measure. This part, put the pedal down with it, and lift it up when you play the next beat. All you're doing is connecting this to this. Throughout the whole piece. That's the only pedaling I would recommend you do. Pretty simple. They're saying pedal the first 3 beats, and I disagree. That I want to hear the staccatos in the right hand, and I can't hear the staccatos if the pedal's down. I mean, it's not so bad when the right hand has a whole note, but you'll see it provides a different effect. So you'll have to decide which effect you like and use that. If you pedal only the first beat, the effect is. If you hold it down for the first 3 beats, the effect is. Go with whichever effect you like, is all it is. It's up to you. You're interpreting it.